In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Bank of America account. Whether you're looking to switch banks or simply no longer require the services of Bank of America, this guide will walk you through each step of the process smoothly and efficiently. Closing an account is a straightforward task, but it's important to make sure you take care of all of the details to avoid any future inconveniences. First, you'll need to either open the Bank of America app on your mobile device or head over to bankofamerica.com using your preferred internet browser. Once you're on the site, sign into your account with your username and password. This is a crucial step as you'll need to access your personal information to proceed with the account closure. Now, before you move on, it's important to ensure that your account balance is exactly zero. You'll want to either transfer any remaining funds to another bank account that you own or withdraw the funds so they are no longer associated with your Bank of America account. This will help to facilitate a smooth closure process and prevent issues over any remaining balances. Once your balance is confirmed at zero, navigate from the home screen by tapping the menu icon, which you can recognize by the familiar three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From here, select the option labeled Support or Help and Support. This section provides you with a range of self-service options designed to assist with various account-related queries. In the Support menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Close Account. Alternatively, you can use the search bar within the Help section and type in Close Account to locate this option more quickly. It's designed to make your life a little easier by eliminating the need to browse through numerous pages or menus. Follow the instructions provided on the screen. Bank of America will require you to confirm your identity to proceed with closing the account, so be prepared to verify your information. You might also need to provide a reason why you're closing the account. This can often be selected from a drop-down menu and is used for feedback purposes to help the bank improve their services. Once you've entered all the necessary information and confirmed your intent to close the account, submit the request. After your request has been processed, you should receive a confirmation email verifying that your account has been successfully closed. Keep an eye on your inbox for this email, as it's your assurance that the process has been completed. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to close your Bank of America account with ease. Remember to have all your new banking arrangements in place before you initiate the closure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy to follow guides.